We're living in one of the most fascinating times in history. AI is transforming everything: how we work, how we create, and even how we live. Some of the biggest areas driving this change are workflow automation, replacing manual work with fully automated processes, e-commerce, reshaping how businesses sell and scale online, and code generation, where AI coding agents will soon write the majority of our software. These are exactly the topics I explore here on my channel. You'll find tutorials and deep dives on workflow automation with N8N, the most powerful automation tool out there, e-commerce with Shopify. I've worked with some of the largest Shopify Plus stores worldwide, and I'll share the insights and secrets I've learned along the way, and AI-driven code generation for React and TypeScript, because TypeScript is quickly becoming the clear winner in the AI coding space. If you'd like to follow my journey and keep learning with me, watch the videos, leave a comment, give them a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Happy watching and welcome to the future of automation, AI, and development.